Hi, today we take a look at this Kaari Loimu X2 plasma lighter. Let's do first unboxing and then go through its features, and finally let's start a campfire using this plasma lighter. Let's open the package and see what's inside. So here we have the plasma lighter. Instructions, some spare O-rings, belt holster, micro USB cable for charging the lighter, and a carabiner. The belt holster has the reflective lanyard inside. The lanyard comes with this clip, which you can use to adjust the length of the lanyard. The plasma lighter has EPA rating of 57, which means it's waterproof, shockproof and dirtproof. It also has a flashlight with 100 lumen LED light. It has two buttons on the side of the lighter. The lower one is for the flashlight and the other one is for the lighter. To open the lighter, you turn the metallic safety pin down, press the lock switch and open the cap. You can pull out the telescopic arm, which is adjustable. With fully charged battery, you can start a fire up to 80 times. And to charge the lighter, you take the USB cable, plug it into the charging port, which is located up here, and then you plug the other end of the charging cable into power bank's port, for example. So now the lighter is charging itself. The plasma lighter has a safety feature which automatically shuts down the plasma arch after 7 seconds of continuous use. You might hear the hissing noise while the plasma lighter is on. The arch is about 1100 Celsius, which can withstand rain, wind and freezing conditions. Electricity goes between these cross electrodes, creating flameless electric arch. The plasma arch is so hot that it lights up any burning material that is put into the arch. As the lighter is flameless, it can be used in any direction. As long as the lighter's protective cover is close, this lighter can withstand heavy rain and water. If you by accident drop the lighter into the river or creek, it also floats. And before using it again, just dry it well. Open the protective cap and it's ready for use again. You can also use the lighter with fire starters, for example. And to light this campfire, let's take the lighter and piece of birch bark. This was the unboxing of the Kaari X2 plasma lighter. Hopefully this video was useful. Thanks for watching and bye.